G'day and welcome to my garage.
G'day and welcome to my garage. I'm Peter. I've got some good news, well, good for me. I've been contacted through email from Ian. He was watching another YouTube channel and they happened to mention my channel. So he's contacted me and said, I used to have an AL50G lathe, and I have here at home a 115mm independent 4-jaw chuck, a rear mount tool post, and a few other bits and pieces, 2 rough cast backing plates, a tool holder for that chuck, for the tool post, and a couple of bits and pieces. I'll show you what they are after I pick them up. Interesting part about the conversation I had, the email exchange I had with him. I live out at Collerton, and I wrote back and said, so do I. Whereabouts in Collerton? So it happens that he's about 350 metres away from we're neighbours, basically. Yeah, he lives 350 metres away from me. So that was back in August. I think it was August, maybe July. I think it was August, but that was back in August. We were on lockdown. So just to keep the rules, do the right thing by the rules, we said we'd wait until the lockdown was lifted, and here we are. Okay, I'm off to have a small road trip to pick up some parts, bits and pieces, a chuck, a backing plate I think. I'm not too sure, I haven't read the email for a little while. So these have been generously donated to me for my new lathe. I found out about these, I was contacted about these parts for the lathe a couple of months ago now, but we've been in lockdown because of the coronavirus, so we've now been released. I can go and pick them up. The chuck is a 4-jaw chuck, but I'll get these first, get them home, and we'll have a look at them, and we'll look at the parts, the chuck and the other parts, and see what I've been generously given. And we're here, I believe. I'm on my way home. I'll give you a preview of the goodies next. Come on, peoples. Place is about 350 metres from mine. This is the last turn, and we're home again. All right, I'm back from Ian's, and this is what I've picked up. He's generously donated it to me. To start with, there is a tool post here
that will mount to the back side of my cross slide, and it's for a parting tool to come in from the back. I've checked it on my lathe. It does fit the cross slide. Anyway, it does fit the cross slide on my lathe. So that's very handy. It's nice and heavy too. So let's put that aside. Next, I won't take it out of the plastic bag, but it's another one of these, a rough casting of a chuck backing plate. I've got two of those, and of course it's a 115 4-jaw, 115 millimetre wide. So what's that? A 100's 4, 15 is a bit over half an inch, nearly 5/8. No, 5/8 is 5/8 is nearly 16. So it's an inch and a half, 4.5 or 4 5/8. 4-jaw independent chuck. Yeah, they're independent. Of course they are. So this will be very handy. I found after I made the 4-jaw independent chuck for the mini lathe, I used it quite a bit. Became very handy. So I'm most very happy to get this. It comes with the backing plate already machined. Ian said it's a bit loose. Maybe I would like to make another one. That's why he gave me the blanks. Very, very grateful. And to go with that, that's a 39 millimetre M39 thread. So picked up. He also gave me the tap and the die. Look at the size of this die. 39 4mm pitch, P&N. It's a good Aussie brand. Brand new. If I needed to use this, I would have to make a special holder for it. Came with a few Q-tips. And that's the Q-tips to go with the layout fluid. Comes with this nice little brush. And he threw in a couple of acid brushes and two oil pots. Very generous. And he was only 350 metres from where I live. Coincidence, eh? So yes, Ian, I'm very grateful for your donations. I shall have to find a place to put them now. All right, let's get back to the machinist clamps.